Hello, Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today I have a special guest. She's not new to this channel, but today is her welcome back to Chao Coffee and Tea YouTube channel, Christiana.
Thank you. I missed you all.
There you go. Today is a special video clip. We are going to talk about the alternative to dairy milk. Stick around until the end of this video clip, but before we continue, click that subscribe button. 4 different types of milk here. Cristiano, what type of milk do you prefer? Dairy or oat milk?
I usually just go for dairy. I don't have much experience with alt milk. The only one that I've really tried is almond milk, but that was a long time ago. Usually I just go for dairy. Yeah, I'm curious to see how it's gonna go today.
Right, and not just one oat milk. We have 4 different types of milk alternatives here. We're going oat milk, macadamia milk, coconut milk, and almond milk, which you have tried before. Now, we are using here a brand from Australia, and this is Milk Lab. This is not a paid promotion, unless, of course, Milk Lab is watching. Take note. Have you tried Milk Lab before?
No, this will be my first time. I'm excited.
Well, it's one of my favorites, I must say. So I have here 4 double shot of espresso, and what we are going to make is iced latte. We are going to compare the taste of each one. It's not really to find out which one is best. It's more about how each one tastes with coffee.
Okay.
And everybody knows that Christiana is the best taste tester on this channel.
I'll do my best not to disappoint you guys.
Okay, so the recipe that we use is for an iced latte using a 12 ounces cup. I normally use a double shot of espresso here, and I use about 120 ml of the milk. So this time, let's start with the first one, which is this, and this is
Oat milk.
oat milk. Okay, 120 ml of milk and a double shot of espresso. Let me get my cup of ice here, thank you.
Says to shake well.
Shake well. Now fill this with 120 ml.
Okay. Ooh, frothy.
I love the color of oat milk and in fact the taste.
That's just about right.
Okay, now pour this into the cup.
Should put that there.
Okay, and now we're going to pour the coffee on top. So the way to pour it, let me do the first one.
Yeah,
So that
you do it.
the first is you swirl, and then you pour it along the side. You want it to float, right? And as you near the end, again swirl it so you get all the crema, and then pour it there. And you have your iced oat milk latte. Okay, there you go. It looks really good. I love the color of the oat milk. It's a little bit dark, not really so white. Okay, over to you.
So I stir it, right?
Yes, sir.
Oops.
Oops. Double.
Okay, here we go. Okay.
This is sugar-free. Would you prefer to have a little bit of sugar there?
No, I think we should have it all the same, like
Okay.
natural. I really like it. I think it's like, usually with milk for me, an iced latte would be a lot smoother, as in, it just, this, I would say this is creamier. It's almost like rounded. You can't tell it's oat milk. I think it just tastes like it's got cream in it, basically.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
there's no oat milk taste in it?
To me, no. I don't taste the particular oat milk, but I think that's a great thing, to be honest, because then you can really taste the coffee.
It's tasting like coffee, but
It tastes like normal dairy milk, but the texture is rounded and creamier.
would you like to give it another try? Because look for the aftertaste. Look for the aftertaste.
Yeah.
I'm holding it for her.
I mean, I taste the coffee a lot more, which I think it's the benefit. There's like maybe, for me personally, like a 0.01 amount of oat taste, but I think that's the beauty of it. It doesn't alter the taste, let's
So
say.
there you go. Even if you are lactose intolerant,
Yeah.
if you use oat milk, you will not be able to notice the difference.
Yeah, if anything, it's a better experience. I might even just start ordering everything in oat milk now.
Okay.
Yeah.
One down?
But that I don't want to speak too soon. It's only the first one.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to the second one. What's the second type of milk that we are doing?
Let's do
Just pick one.
macadamia. Oh,
Macadamia. Okay. Macadamia. So again, let's get our cup of ice. Thank you. Here you go. Second cup with macadamia. Same recipe, 120 ml or 4 ounces of this time macadamia.
let's go. Sure. Okay. That's about the same amount as I put
Okay. So
earlier.
milk lab.
Right off the bat, this is less yellow than the oat milk. Oh, wait. Sorry.
There's water in there.
Yeah. I think the ice kind of melted a little.
Okay.
Is that all right?
That's all right. Okay.
Okay. Shall I try this? So we gotta swirl.
Yeah, swirl the first time, and then try not to.
What?
Yeah, try not to. Just not to
Huh?
be too slow. Okay.
Okay.
Right. And then swirl it again. Lift it up,
Swirl it.
swirl, and then pour it.
Oh, guys.
But
This is not
shouldn't
as
make a
nice.
layered
This is
latte.
not as nice. Maybe the next one. Okay.
Okay. That's too full though.
All right. So this is my not so pretty macadamia iced latte. Okay. Sorry. It's very bitter. Yeah, it's very bitter. No, I don't know if it's the coffee because it's the same coffee as the previous one.
Right.
But I don't know. I think it's very light. It's not creamy. It tastes a bit like water texture, like off water. Sorry for macadamia milk lovers. Maybe that is good for some people, but I like it quite thick. So
So yeah, I
Yeah,
agree
like
with you
creamy.
that it is a bit lighter. It's almost like watery, not as creamy as the oat milk.
I'm gonna say not my favorite.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go to the third one, which is
Coconut. I
coconut
have high
milk.
expectations because
Now-
I do love coconut.
Just for information, this is not coconut milk that you use for cooking. It's not kati inside.
Yeah, a lot of places like in the West they say coconut. Like in Thailand, we call it coconut milk, but it's actually coconut cream.
Yeah.
But this is actual coconut milk.
Coconut milk. So
Yeah.
there's a difference between coconut cream that's used for cooking and
Yeah.
this is coconut milk that is used for drinking,
Yep.
for beverages. Okay, let's do it.
Here we
Thank you.
go. Ooh, it's very white.
Quite thick, right?
Thick and white, but not as thick as coconut cream, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, there you go.
Okay.
Coconut down.
I like this one.
Ooh,
It's
the
definitely
texture is-
creamy. It's
wow.
definitely creamier than the coconut milk that I would usually use to make other things. So
How about
I
the smell? Can you smell it?
smells like coconut. Okay, let's see if I can do a better job this time. What was it?
Try not to you lift a little bit high so that
Yes.
it doesn't touch the side.
Okay, like here.
Yeah. Right, slowly.
What? You said not to.
Oops.
She said not too slow in the previous one.
I mean, at the beginning, you have to pour it.
Not too bad though. I think it's better than the previous.
Okay.
I'll accept it. Okay,
This is a
so
normal sound.
let's try.
Third drink, coconut.
Yeah, I mean
Coconut
this
latte.
is the whitest alt milk. Ignore the flying ice. Sorry.
Need to be coconut.
It's fine. I think it's funny. Oh,
That's not
all you can taste is the coconut. You can taste like it's like coconut with coffee as opposed to coffee with coconut.
Ooh. Nope.
It's not right. It's not right. I recommend using it for like cooking your oat in the morning or something instead.
Okay, on to our final one. And the milk is
Almond milk.
almond milk. Okay, let's put 4 ounces into that.
Okay. Oh, that's easier. You could have said 4 ounces earlier.
Yes, 4 ounces or 120.
Yeah, I didn't make the connection for some reason. Okay.
Okay, last milk here into our cup of ice. And because I don't trust you anymore with pouring, so I hope that in the next video, if you remember, what you do is you pour it slowly at the beginning so it settles on top, right? Just like that.
Okay.
And then you can pour it a little bit faster. I hear something. There you go.
All right, see.
Sorry, I think I didn't make a good layer.
Do you think it's something to do with the fact that it's an oat milk?
What do you mean?
Like as in, yeah.
Lighter, you know.
Yeah, like less dense.
Less dense.
Oh, I accept this. There we go. That's.
Okay.
I can definitely taste the almond milk. Like the oat milk, you can't taste it. I would say it tastes like a regular dairy iced coffee to me. This you can taste the almond, but it does add something. It does complement the coffee really well, in my opinion.
So if you're looking for a plant-based coffee that you'd like to taste the milk as well as the coffee, you would recommend almond milk.
Yeah, I'd recommend almond milk. If you want, if you want sweet, a slightly sweeter iced coffee, I'd go with almond milk. If you want iced coffee experience that's consistent with dairy but isn't dairy because for some reason you can no longer have dairy, then I would go for oat milk. I would not personally go for a coconut or macadamia. The coconut one it doesn't complement coffee well in my opinion, and the macadamia one kind of just tastes like water. Yeah, it's too light.
If you were to rank this according to you, you go with almond, oat.
Let me just. Yeah, this is the oat one.
Okay.
I'll go from like left to right.
Okay. Oat.
My left to right, right? Ugh. That's the coconut one. That's my least favorite one. It's gotta be macadamia. Yeah.
Okay, so your ranking is oat.
My ranking is.
Almond.
Wait, what was that?
That was oat. That was oat.
Yeah. Oat, almond, macadamia, and coconut.
So that's your ranking.
Best to worst.
Okay, but they're just different flavors. Okay, now I just want to validate your findings
Yeah.
by asking another taste tester.
Oh.
Can we welcome someone else here?
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
So would you like to introduce
This is
our
my
next
husband,
guest?
everyone. Let's see if
Hey,
our
everyone.
results are consistent.
So,
Okay.
what do you want me to do?
So this is Jack.
Taste them all.
He's the CEO of Base in Bangkok.
Yep.
Right. So this is, tell him that oat.
No, I think just
blind
taste
taste,
them,
yeah.
taste them, and then rank them from best
Okay,
to
can you mix
worst.
them? Mix them.
Okay.
So I don't know what it is.
Oh, he wants to
Is it a random? Yeah, I can do a random taste test.
You can do a blindfold.
Okay. There we go.
So rank. Just
Yeah.
in terms of how good it tastes, right?
Yeah, like your preference. What it tastes
What do you
like.
think?
Yeah, not great. Maybe almond. I'm not sure what that one is.
Let me tell you.
Oh no.
Sorry, coconut.
That's a big no. So that vanilla can go. The mayonnaise can go here.
Is that a coconut?
This
Yeah.
one's a bit better. I'm not sure what this one is. Yes, at the moment, worse. Not too bad. Quite nice.
This is worse so far.
I don't really like that one either. So I'd say this one's the worst. This one's the second worst.
Yeah.
This one's okay, and then this one's the best.
Okay, so it's like this. Best goes on this side. Sorry. Yeah, best goes on this side.
So what did he rank?
So it's exactly the same.
Really?
Yeah.
So oat, almond.
Who would have thought?
Yeah. Oat, almond, macadamia. Oh, coconut. The worst. Literally, it tastes like coconut oil.
Coconut oil, yeah. Like the ones you use for massage.
For cooking.
Anyway, thank you very much for giving us your opinion, and we are doing this so that it will help you decide when you order at a cafe and they have all these milk options, which one should you go for? But then again, of course, individual preferences differ. Would you like to say anything before we say goodbye to our viewers?
I'd really like to know what you guys like and why you like it. Let us know in the comments. I will be reading them. And that's it.
That's all we would like to share with you today. Thank you for watching.
Ciao
Ciao
for
for
now.